Have you ever written CSS and wondered, why does this style apply instead of that one? Or why your child elements magically get the same font as their parent? Well, that's because of two powerful concepts in CSS, Cascade and Inheritance. Mastering these will help you avoid a ton of headaches and write cleaner code. Let's break it down step by step. Inheritance means some CSS properties applied to a parent element are automatically passed down to its children. This helps reduce repetitive code because you don't have to explicitly apply the same styles to every single child element. For example here, all child element will inherit the text color and font family unless told otherwise. Not everything is inherited though. Text properties like color, font, and line height do inherit, but box model properties like margin, padding, borders, and backgrounds are not inherited. And if you want to control it manually, you can use special keywords like inherit to force inheritance, initial to reset to browser default, unset acts like inherit if the property is inheritable, otherwise like initial, revert goes back to the browser or user style sheet value. What is Cascade? The cascade is simply how the browser decides which CSS rule wins when there are conflicts. There are three main steps the browser follows. Importance, which is priority order. User agent styles, user styles, other styles. Important wins above all. Specificity. More specific selectors beat less specific ones. For example, if you apply all these to the same element, the ID wins because it's more specific. Source order. Last rule wins. If two rules have the same importance and specificity, whichever comes last in your CSS file wins. Cascade versus inheritance. So what is the difference? Inheritance is about properties being passed down from parent to child automatically. Cascade is about resolving conflicts when multiple rules target the same element. Here is what happens in this example. Body passes down red, paragraph overrides with blue, ID overrides with green, and finally important force purple no matter what. So remember, Cascade decides which rule wins, inheritance decide which properties flow down. Together they form the core of how CSS actually works. If this helped you finally understand why CSS sometimes feels tricky, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick CSS breakdowns. And let me know in the comments which one confused you more, Cascade or Inheritance. See you in the next one.